Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. All right, today we're going to go over number 3 and 5. The rest is up to you. All right, so we have x squared minus 4x minus 89. The first thing is to bring the constant over. So that means we have to add 89 to the other side. So 7 plus 89, let's figure out what's going to go in this bubble right here. 7 plus 89 is 96. So that's what's starting out over here. And then we have our boxes on either side. Now we take our half. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Woo! We're going to half it. Half that middle term. Half it. Square it. Share it. So half of negative 2, half of negative 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4 and 4. That's what's going in each of the boxes. Okay, so now that half, remember that half there, that slides down right here. So we're going to have a 2 here. And the 96 plus 4 is 100. So that's how we start the problem off. From there, if we're really going to solve, you guys hopefully remember you would have to take the square root of both sides. But that isn't really what they're doing here. We just want to figure out that you know how to actually get it into this form here. Okay, we want a binomial squared is equal to a constant. All right, number 5, solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square. So we're told to solve, which means we want x equals something. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is bring that constant over. So we're going to have x squared plus 4x. This cancels out, equals 21. Next thing after we bring that constant over is we want our boxes. So I'm going to add those boxes on both sides. All right, now we got to know, how do we fill in those boxes? Well, we take this middle term here, we half it, positive 2, we square it, and we're going to share it. All right. So now, the purpose, I just got a text, the purpose of half square share is that you create a perfect square trinomial, which can be factored like this. What multiplies to 4 and adds to 4? Well, it's 2 and 2. Do you see that the shocking part is, this is really x plus 2 times x plus 2, right? X squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 2. They're equivalent. Now, how else can I write this? Well, we want to save all the ink we can, so we don't even need to write this part here. You can literally just put x plus 2 squared, since there's 2 of them, and I'm just going to bring this over here. Oh, no, I couldn't do that. Oops. Fail and a half. Fail and a half. All right, so this is it. So now I have x plus, x plus 2 quantity squared is equal to 25. Now to actually solve for x, we need to undo this squared. So we're going to square root both sides. That cancels out the exponent, leaving us with x plus 2 squared. You don't even need that parentheses anymore. So x plus 2 equals positive negative 5, because the square root of 25 is positive negative 5. We're going to scooch over that negative 2. X is equal to negative 2 plus or minus 5. Which really means we have 2 different cases. We have x equals negative 2 plus 5, x equals negative 2 minus 5. So x is equal to 3, and x is equal to negative 7. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful night. I'll see you tomorrow.